last couple of months we have been working on a product which is created for small scale and medium scale clinics. Why? So there is a problem. If you look at small and medium scale clinic, they are still facing a problem, that is they work on pen and paper based system. If you visit any small medium scale clinic, you will see that still you have to bring that card where the patient ID is written. Then showing that card, they will take out your case papers. Then they will give some new prescription. They'll write it down on the same thing, and that is a whole pen and paper based system. What is the challenge? Every day you can see everything is moving towards IT, information technology, and everything is going towards cloud based. Everything is digitized. But still, this clinic, small and medium scale clinics, they are not yet ready for digitization, right? And we did a little survey for that as well. We look into the market. Is there any existing software available which will solve this problem? Then answer is yes. The softwares are available. Now the problem is those are very costly. Those range from 5,000 to 80,000. 5,000 is fine. Now the problem is those are localized software. Like those will be installed only in one machine. If you have a clinic and you have multiple branches, you won't be able to access the data from one branch to another branch. That is the biggest challenge they face. And if you want solution for that, now the solution is there. But again, the cost for that is around 80,000 to 1 lakh. Okay, someone is fine that they will pay 80,000 for one time. That is not the solution. Why? The thing is, if you pay 80,000 or 1 lakh for one time, you have to pay an annual maintenance charge from next year onwards for each year. That is around 20 to 25,000 per year. Now, looking at all those problems, we were focusing like how we can solve that issue so that it will be affordable for all the small and medium scale clinics, and those will be digitized so that the doctor will be able to access the clinics and patients data from anywhere, anytime, any device. And like any device, when I say any device, laptop, mobile, tablet, anything. And not only he will be able to access that data, he will be able to access that data, read that data, edit it, and create a new entry into that using any device, because it is a completely cloud-based system. And we called our product as Clinical Patient Management Application, that is CPMA. I am already working on some new features, that is for salary-based people, they know how much they are earning on monthly basis. For small scale or middle scale business or clinic, it is really difficult to track how much we earn in this month, how much was the footfall, how many new patients came to our clinic, how many recurring patients, return patients came to our clinic. That is the analysis part. That will be shown to you in a graphical form, but that is a future scope. I am already working on that, and that will be added in my next build. Okay, so I hope you like the demo, and if you are interested, you can contact me. All the contact details will be given in the description. And that's it, guys. I'll be working on and I'll keep on improving this product more and more so that a small scale businessman or small scale clinic will be able to digitize their business. That's the product. Hope you like it. If you are interested, please contact me. This is Akshay Daga, and this is our YouTube channel, AP Daga Dumbbox. Thank you very much. Signing off.